Imagine a world where history and art, the very soul of a civilization, could be intentionally erased during wartime. Consider the irreplaceable loss of ancient temples, cherished manuscripts, or artistic masterpieces, not just to one nation, but to all of humanity. The Hague Convention, specifically referring to the 1950 Hague Convention for the protection of cultural property in the event of armed conflict, serves as a vital international treaty designed to safeguard historical, artistic, and scientific heritage during times of armed conflict. Its primary role is to ensure that cultural property, which includes monuments, archaeological sites, works of art, and libraries, receives special protection and is not targeted or used for military purposes. The core mechanism behind the Hague Convention stems from the understanding that cultural heritage holds universal value, and its destruction represents a loss for all humankind. It establishes principles of respect for cultural property, meaning states must refrain from attacking such sites and ensure their armed forces avoid any acts of theft, pillage, vandalism, or appropriation. The convention also outlines the concept of immunity, where cultural property, when properly marked with the distinctive blue shield emblem, should be immune from attack unless absolutely required by imperative military necessity. Even then, strict conditions apply. The first protocol to the convention prohibits the export of cultural property from occupied territory and requires its return. Furthermore, the 1999 Second Protocol introduces the concept of enhanced protection for cultural property of the greatest importance for humanity, offering stronger safeguards and even establishing individual criminal responsibility for serious violations. For states, the convention means taking proactive measures in peacetime to prepare for potential conflicts. This involves creating inventories of important cultural sites, establishing special units for cultural property protection within their armed forces, and providing training on the convention's provisions. During armed conflict, it means actively implementing these protections, such as refraining from direct attacks on cultural sites, preventing the illicit trade of cultural objects, and ensuring that military operations do not inadvertently damage protected heritage. It also means educating military personnel on the distinctive blue shield emblem, which marks protected sites. One of the most powerful aspects of the Hague Convention is its recognition that the protection of cultural property extends beyond national borders. It is a shared responsibility, emphasizing that these treasures contribute to the cultural heritage of all mankind. The distinctive blue shield, a universally recognized symbol, immediately identifies sites requiring this special safeguarding. By safeguarding these sites, the convention not only preserves tangible heritage but also helps protect the cultural identity of communities, a crucial element for resilience and recovery after conflict. The destruction of cultural heritage, especially when intentional, can be recognized as a war crime under international law, highlighting the severity of such acts. Ultimately, the Hague Convention reinforces the fundamental idea that even amidst the chaos and devastation of war, there are limits. By drawing a clear line around our shared cultural heritage, it helps to preserve the collective memory, artistic expressions, and historical narratives that connect us across generations and cultures. This continuous effort to protect our past ensures that future generations can learn from it, find inspiration in it, and use it as a foundation for building lasting peace, demonstrating that humanity's shared legacy is worth defending.